Thank you so much for people that subscribe. Thank you so much for tuning in.
You are welcome.
We talked about in the last video how to make money with no subscribers on YouTube from the very start, how to make a full-time passive income. I am going to link that video in the info card. It will be up top here. You should definitely check that out. That was the first video of this series. And now in this video, we're going to show you how to create a full passive income literally for free. This is a method that will generate you $1,000 a day. Roll the intro. Welcome back, everybody. My name is Andrew Alvey. If you don't know who I am a boring. I love everything passive income. The whole point of this channel is devoted to teaching you guys how to go out and make your money work for you to start creating that money while you sleep. Keep in mind, anything that you guys want to know about passive income, leave it in the comments down below. Drop a like, drop a subscribe. We'd love to have you join the real passive income movement, okay? If you guys are someone that's finally waking up and realizing you're done with a job, you need to find another way to do things. There is a better way out there. That's exactly what this channel is going to do for you, and we're not going anywhere.
Moving on.
All right, boom, we are inside the computer. Now, these are the 7 best passive income methods that I already told you guys about. So today we are focusing on email marketing. So email marketing is extremely simple. I'm going to jump to the whiteboard before I lose you guys because I know you guys fucking don't like email marketing. You want to know how to do Facebook ads. You want to know how to fucking Shopify, drop shipping, Amazon. It doesn't fucking matter. The point is, you guys need to focus on this little thing called email marketing. Now, I'm not even going to get into the whole email marketing. What I'm going to show you guys is this. There is these awesome things called Google AdWords. And now this thing down here is Facebook. You may have heard of it. You know, the place where you can go look at pictures of cats. You can talk crap about Trump.
You suck.
And of course, you can watch all those badass ads that are going to take you to webinars for only $9.97. All right, so first up, what we're going to do here is this is a simple process. We get Google AdWords and Facebook, and we drive them both to an opt-in page. Now, this opt-in page is going to look something like this, okay? I'm going to show you right now. Opt-in page, boom. Now, this is an opt-in page. It is extremely simple. Like, it is stupid simple. You don't want to do anything to overcomplicate this. You want to have it as basic as possible because all you're doing is giving some information in exchange for their email or their Facebook Messenger, okay? Going back to the whiteboard here. So after these customers opt into my opt-in page, we get their email or we get their Facebook Messenger, then they come to something called a sales funnel. This is where they're gonna actually enter my funnel. Now in this sales funnel, I am selling products that are between $37 and $297, okay? This is a very simple system. So basically what happens is every time I end up spending $1,000, okay, to send somebody into this process, I end up making back $1,000 on the other side. You may be saying to yourself, well, that doesn't make any freaking sense. Why the hell are you spending $1,000 to make $1,000 back? Idiot. Now, this is exactly where our process comes into play. Stick with me here, guys. We're almost there. So once they go through this process of I get their emails, I get the money back, well, guess what? I just got a lead for free. I just got a messenger. I just got an email. So now what I do is we drag this little thing over here because the next step is this is the most crucial part. So after this, I now have them in a follow-up funnel. So all this has to do is this literally reaches out to the customer, giving them more training and more free information about what it is that they are interested in and how you can help them. So then after that, they're offered products they're directly interested in that are between $37 and $297, okay? I've just broken even. Everything that I get from the customer after this point is 100% profit, okay? That is a huge win. It doesn't sound like it, but here's where the fun part comes into play. Now, this follow-up funnel on the back end is because I'm collecting emails, okay? So these emails, these customers, when they come opt in over here, they're dropping into a little bucket. This bucket has a handle and it looks like a lock, okay? And it's called my email list, okay? Now from my email list, what I end up doing is I follow up with them, I build trust, and I give them free training. So on this kind of follow-up funnel over here, that's like direct response marketing, I am touching and sending out as many points of contact as possible and doing it in a very strategic way, okay? So what do you do with these emails? Well, the first things that you have to do immediately when somebody opts into your list is you have to build the like, trust, and know factor, okay? They have to like you, know you, trust you. That is the most important thing, or everything after this point does not matter. So what I'm doing here is every time that I like to send out an email to my customer, I want to make sure that I'm providing as much value. So what I will do with the customer is I will give value, and then I will offer a sale or pitch a product. Once again, I'm gonna do this exact process. I will give value, and then I will pitch a product asking for money. Value, money. And all you do is repeat this process over and over again, constantly for the rest of time. Now, you saw in the first example, I put $1,000 in, I get $1,000 back out. I'm happy because that just paid for my customer, that just paid for all the leads, the ad spend, and it added several emails to my list that I can follow up with and make money down the line.
Smart.
So now when it costs me $3, okay, to get that original customer and their email, now over the course of 6 months, I'm making back $6, okay? So for me, I just doubled my money. I know 100% that when I put in $3, I'm gonna get $6 back down the line. These are not necessarily good numbers. Some people put in $3 for a customer, down the line through their emails, they're getting $10 to $30 back, okay? They're making 3 to 10x their actual ROI. Right after my sales funnel, I've already made my money back. The $1,000 I spent, which gets me how many customers? 333 customers. I've made $1,000 back. I've gotten all my money in return already. So now for everything else in my email process down the line, I'm literally doubling the money on all the money I spent, okay? So now that $1,000 I put in turns into $2,000, okay? When I put in $10,000, that's gonna turn into $20,000. This is where you guys make the money, okay? And a lot of people overlook this. And then once you own that customer for life, this is just a 6-month example, you can continue to make more and more money. You can continue to give better value, better trainings, better resources, getting them onto different affiliate products, your own products, and really increase the ROI that you're gonna make on this customer. So my current goal and your guys' current goal is 10,000 emails on your list, okay? If I can get 10,000 emails on my list, I know each of those emails is worth approximately $2 per email per month. What that's gonna do is take this to a list that makes me $20,000 a month, okay? That is my current goal with this process. I just showed you guys how to make $20,000 a month, yet some people are gonna say, well, I don't have the money for the AdWords. I don't have the money to take $1,000 out of my pocket and spend it up front. That is completely fine. I am now gonna show you how to do this whole process absolutely for free, 100%. That is very simple. What I'm gonna do is drag this out of the way, and I'm gonna show you this exact system, just a little bit different, all right? So let's save that up here. So we all know about the different methods to get people into the funnel, okay? The first one, as I talked about, is ads. The second one is, we'll say, social media. The third one is free traffic, which we will call YouTube. That is my favorite, all right? These 3 things is the only possible ways to get people into your opt-in page, okay? Which is the start of everything. All right, so what we talked about already was how to do ads. That's very simple. Now, the next one down here is social media. Now, social media, this could be several different things, but this is essentially you doing a personal post. This is you doing a group, or this is you maybe posting a video on Instagram or something to your business page, whatever it is, promoting people to go to this page, okay? You want more information, click down below. Big YouTubers do it all the time. Now, the same thing applies to YouTube. The reason I put that separately is YouTube is the best traffic source. So you should be making videos. You 100% should be looking at getting 50 decent leads a day, okay? 50 leads to opt into your page every single day. With those 50 leads that are opting into your page, you've done it 100% for free. They're clicking links in the bottom of your YouTube videos. They're going from social media because they're like, wow, this is a great product. I'm gonna go visit that page. That's awesome. And what happens is every single day this builds up, it's gonna take, let me do the math real quick, 10,000 divided by 10,000 divided by 50 emails. Okay, 200. This is gonna take you 200 days, okay? So just over 6 months. 200 days is all you need to get to 10,000 subscribers on your email list. Once you have these 10,000 subscribers, you should be generating 20,000 per month. That is the easiest way to do this. I highly suggest once you start accomplishing this, that you need to be heading to paid traffic. Paid traffic is the stupidest and easiest, awesomest way to start scaling this system, okay? I just showed you guys exactly the most fucking simple process in the whole entire world to start and make this passive income and build your way up to literally almost $700 a day for free. Once again, this is just the 10,000 foot view, guys. If you're interested in that, free training is below. It teaches you how to make passive income, and it shows you exactly what you need to do to achieve this system. Once again, you guys have been awesome. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. YouTube loves it. I love it. If you guys got some value from this, leave a comment down below. What is it that you want me to expand on next time? Remember, there is a playlist where I did talk about how to make money on YouTube. I showed you the simple method on how to do it, just starting out with 0 subscribers, no viewers, nothing like that. Now we just showed you how to do it with email marketing. Anything that you guys want to know, comment down below. I'm going to expand on it. I'm going to do another video. I can't wait to see you guys in the training on the other side. Andrew Albee out.